live long and prosper is a Star Trek motto that the Olympia Robotics Federation, otherwise known as ORF, demonstrates in its community. Through initiatives such as camps that reach out to students who have been historically underrepresented in STEM, meeting with Washington state legislators and representatives to encourage STEM programs, and more. FIRST unites us to make a positive impact in our community. We form partnerships to demonstrate our passion in STEM at local events as part of our commitment to strengthening FIRST in our community, state, and around the world.
Cairo was incredible. Students trained through the spring, through the summer to get ready for this, but the students got to it. We set everything up. We happened to bring a bot that was already rolling and charged, so that kept students busy while we got all prepared and ready for them. All the lessons were good. We just knocked it out of the park. We are a federation of 3 schools: Avanti, Capital, and Olympia. In Star Trek, you have the federation that is of many planets. So that's our connection.
So going into this camp, we managed to travel with pretty much our entire team with a total of around 17 students. And once we got to Cairo, each pair of 2 students was tasked with a group of around anywhere between 4 to 6 Egyptian students. And these groups were student-led and managed to build FTC robots for a competition at the end of the week, working on those each day and then culminating into that competition.
Gracious professionalism was at the very core of our camp. On the very first meeting, we talked about gracious professionalism. We talked about being kind to your teammates even though we're in a competition. And every day at the end of camp when we regrouped, we handed out gracious professionalism awards to the student who had done the best job of demonstrating gracious professionalism during that day.
Just coming to Egypt and seeing that we had this wonderful group of girls to work with was really inspirational for me, because we got to show these girls that having a career in STEM was possible, and even today they're texting us and helping them with their math homework.
Everything was the way it was supposed to because the students are running it, everybody's engaged, and there was never a moment where something wasn't happening or people weren't engaged. It was a really good experience. The students that were there wanted to learn, we were ready for it.